and there is no video on how to replace this power supply. It's definitely a learning curve, ain't no doubt. Just look at this thing, man. I got it all ripped apart and everything else. So here's the linear. Looks like it's got two sets of transistors. Them there, and then there's two on here. They're not transistors, but rectifiers. And there's the 2290s, Toshibas. I think they're a damn good pill. So it looks like the only thing that this linear needs is this. And I don't need this, because that power supply's got everything already built into it, so I can eliminate that. That's a ground, so we'll leave that like that, but I don't know, but I'm assuming I don't need it. We'll do another video as we get closer along.